who is the best franchise financing consultant for 2023? There are 4 big firms in this space for those that are looking to finance their franchise, whether it's through a franchise loan, principally through the SBA lending program, 401k rollover, or other non-conventional financing mechanisms. You have 4 main players in this market. They all really specialize in the 401k rollover. That way you can use your retirement savings to open up a franchise or buy an existing franchise. However, they're differentiated in their approach and what other services that they offer. It's going to depend not just on the platform of these 4 franchise consulting companies on which one you choose, but who's going to be the consultant? Who's your day-to-day contact when you're going about the funding process, as that's very important, not just what brand they have and what email address they're sending you information from. It's key to know who you're going to be dealing with. Also, ask about the stats. Don't be shy. How many loans does that finance consultant company process on a monthly, yearly basis? How about that consultant that's going to help you? How many loans are they processing? How about 401k rollovers if you're exploring that path? Check their stats. Are they doing real volume, or are you the guinea pig where they've just done 2 SBA loans in the last year and you're dealing with a new financing consultant? And although he's been part of a bigger organization, he doesn't have the relationships with the bankers as other people in his group. Also, time to fund the loan or time to wrap up the 401k rollover. Do they do it in 30 days, 60 days, 90 days? Get that information. If they can't tell you, that's a bit of a red flag, because that's their job, to get you money pretty fast to invest in a franchise and to have it smooth, and see if there's any guarantees. What happens if you pay them an upfront fee, $3,000, $4,000 to help with your SBA loan application, and you don't get an SBA loan? Do they give a guarantee where they guarantee and you get the funds back if the application's not approved? There's different mechanisms to have guarantees in a compliant way based on services rendered. Ask them if there's any guarantees for their quality of work. Also on the 401k rollover plan, if there's an IRS audit years later, what are the ongoing fees? You need to ask this. You need to know the stats, not just on the professional you're dealing with, but also the firm that they're working with. So let's go through 4 of the most popular financing companies for those that are seeking to open up a franchise or buy an existing franchise. So Guidant Financial, headquartered in Boise, Idaho, provides business financing solutions, again, new as well as existing entrepreneurs. They specialize in the rollovers, the ROBS program, SBA loans. They've helped 25,000 plus entrepreneurs, more than $4 billion worth of work for small businesses and franchises in all 50 states. Guidant Financial claims to be the largest ROBS provider and third-party administrator of 401k plans. They facilitate the whole process of rolling over whatever eligible retirement funds you have to fund your franchise investment. It was co-founded by David Nielsen as well as Jeremy Ames in 2003. Next, you have Benetrends. They, again, have a pretty similar focus, especially on the 401k, IRA, using your IRA savings to fund your business investment. They have experience with the 401k, IRA business funding, or the rollover as business startups, or the ROBS program. They claim to have helped 17,000 entrepreneurs use their retirement savings, allowing them to access funds that were tax deferred as well as penalty free. They also offer a range of all different types of small business financing solutions, including SBA loans, claim a 97% approval success rate for its financing products, and they see more than $12 million in SBA loans approved every month for their clients. Benetrends was founded by Len Fisher. He has more than 50 years of experience in the field of franchise finance consulting. He's a member of the Bar of New York and California, specializing in Employee Retirement Income Security Act of 1974, so pretty specific. Author, speaker, lecturer. The current CEO is Rocco Fiorentino. He serves also executive board member of advisors for the Multi-Unit Franchise Conference, the Titus Center for Franchising at Florida Atlantic University, as well on the board of Locate AI. Third, you got FranFund. FranFund is a company that plays in a similar space. In addition to SBA loans and the 401k business funding, they also offer all different types of conventional unsecured loans, security-backed loans, equipment leasing, refinancing programs. So a little more diverse in their focus, compared to Benetrends and Guidant. Jeff Sieber, the CEO, had a successful career in franchise operations development of multiple brands, including Domino's Pizza and Great Clips. He created FranFund in the early 2000s with Derek Skodsberg. Derek left a few years after starting FranFund with Jeff and started Guidant Financial. He's been in the retirement plan administration business since 2004. And after co-founding FranFund, again, he founded Guidant Financial in 2008, specialized in 401k rollover business funding. With across their team, over 75 years of combined experience in qualified plan design, installation, and administration. They've really strongly emphasized starting with the educational process, going to the 401k plan installation, and then the administration of the account for the long term. Fund My Franchise is an affiliate of Guidant Financial, and Fund My Franchise is a sponsor of our podcast, and we'll include a link in case you want to contact Fund My Franchise. Al Lesko of Fund My Franchise can help with SBA loans, 401k rollovers, non-conventional financing, all those types of financing mechanisms that are commonly used in franchising. But these are all 4 reputable firms. I do encourage you to talk to a couple of the firms as well as a couple consultants to see who you're most comfortable with. Guidant Financial and Benetrends both specialize in the 401k, IRA, business funding, while FranFund and Guidant offer a wider range of financial products, including SBA loans, conventional loans, unsecured loans, security-backed loans. That's my understanding of what I've seen in the marketplace. Even though Benetrends does do SBA loans, Guidant Financial does do SBA loans, they're less focused on it than what I've seen with FranFund and Guidant. I would love to hear from people, folks from Guidant or Benetrends, if that's different. There you have it. I recommend you talk to at least a few franchise finance consultants. We'll leave links to all these companies in the show notes in case you're looking for different providers to help you invest in a franchise, whether that's a new franchise or if you're looking at an acquisition.